Igor here, Igor's Garage and Boat Basin. Got a little quickie video today. I was working on the gas gauge problem on the Wellcraft 27. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Hey, Igor here. A little shorty. How to troubleshoot a fuel gauge problem. You know, I'm working on you can see here, the Wellcraft 27, and thought I had my fuel gauge problem solved last year. Didn't happen. Came back this year, so it's a good solid intermittent. So how do you figure out, I mean, nowadays you have the new electronic senders. It's just a little pole with a magnet on it, and they're a pain in the butt to get out of the tank. So is it the wiring, or kind of is it the sender? And what you need is this, which is little jumper wires, and you can start with the fuel gauge, attach it to the send wire, where the send wire goes on the gauge, and go to a ground. And if you touch it, the gauge should go to full. Then you move back to the fuel sender itself. So on the center terminal, or in this case, my case, it's a red wire. There's a red and a black. Attach the jumper to the engine, and since I've got a lot of stainless steel bolts on the engine, I attach it to one of those, and then you attach it to the center. Then you get your handy dandy key, and all you do is turn on the ignition with the key, and the gauge should go to full. So the next one, you go and you attach the ground to the ground side of the sender. I did that, and it didn't work. So I'm wondering, do I have a grounding problem? I touched it to the tank, still didn't work. It was kind of dirty. I mean, it's a gas tank, it's under the back seat, it's in front of the motor, so you know how much room we got to work on. And I found there's a spade connector that was loose. Actually, the spade on one side was broke, and the problem was it was once you push it in, the female side was actually going in along the spade lug, so I had to rebend the spade lug. Real challenge. Some long pliers. Almost impossible to get two arms in front of the engine. And that solved my problem. So after I put it back together, turned the ignition on, and since the tank's full of 40 gallons of premium gas, it went to full. Now the other thing I'm going to say, see these little arm things here? Usually get a lot of boat blades. Okay, if you go to Amazon, you can get these work things. So you're sitting there reaching down in, I mean, they just slide up here over your arms. You know, you can sit and see what they're like. And while you're reaching down in front of the engine, it sits there and protects your arms from getting little boat bites. So I'd recommend these. Not as good as girls, but they're pretty good. So take it from there. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.